Digital Marketing for Beginners, a complete small business guide. Many small businesses offer excellent products and services, but customers still cannot find them online. A professional website alone is not enough. Social media alone is not enough. Posting occasionally without a clear plan usually does not produce consistent inquiries. In this video, you will learn the main parts of digital marketing and how to create a simple plan for your small business. Welcome to Djeema Digital Marketing. We share practical guidance about websites, SEO, Google Business Profile, social media, artificial intelligence, and digital tools for business growth. Let us begin. Digital marketing means using online channels to attract customers, build trust, and generate inquiries or sales. These channels include your website, Google Search, Google Maps, social media, email, WhatsApp, and online advertising. The purpose is not simply to receive likes or website visitors. The real purpose is to help the right customer discover your business, understand what you offer, trust your company, and contact you. A successful digital marketing plan connects all these channels together. Before creating advertisements or social media posts, understand your ideal customer. Ask yourself who needs your service. What problem are they trying to solve? What questions do they ask before purchasing? What may stop them from contacting your business? For example, a furniture company may target offices, schools, hospitals, or homeowners. Each customer group has different needs. Your website and marketing message should speak clearly to the customer you want to attract. Your website is the digital home of your business. It should clearly explain who you are, what services you provide, where you operate, and how customers can contact you. Every business website should include a clear homepage. It should have separate service pages. It should include an About page and a Contact page. Your telephone number and WhatsApp button should be easy to find. Customer reviews, completed projects, and real business photographs help build trust. The website must also work properly on mobile phones. Avoid filling the home page with too much text. Customers should understand your business within a few seconds. Google Business Profile helps local customers find your company on Google Search and Google Maps. Add your correct business name, address, telephone number, working hours, website, and service information. Upload real photographs of your office, products, projects, and team. Ask satisfied customers to leave honest reviews. Reply professionally to every review, including negative reviews. A complete and active business profile can help customers trust your company before they even visit your website. SEO means search engine optimization. SEO helps search engines understand your website and show it to people searching for relevant services. Begin with simple actions. Use clear page titles. Write useful service descriptions. Include the locations you serve naturally. Add descriptive alt text to images. Create helpful articles that answer customer questions. Link related pages together. Make sure your website loads quickly. Do not repeat keywords unnaturally. Write for customers first while making the subject clear to search engines. You do not need to use every social media platform. Choose the platforms where your customers are active. For many small businesses, Instagram and Facebook are useful for showing products, projects, customer stories, and behind-the-scenes work. LinkedIn may be better for business-to-business services. YouTube is useful for detailed tutorials, demonstrations, and educational content. Post consistently, but focus on quality. Every post should educate, demonstrate, build trust, or encourage a useful action. Content marketing means sharing useful information that helps potential customers. This may include blog articles, videos, checklists, case studies, frequently asked questions, and customer success stories. A furnishing company could publish content about choosing office chairs, planning classroom furniture, or calculating furniture project costs. A digital marketing company could explain website design, SEO, Google Maps marketing, or artificial intelligence tools. Helpful content shows your expertise and gives customers a reason to trust your business. Email and WhatsApp are useful for following up with people who already know your business. You can send quotation reminders, appointment confirmations, useful guides, new service information, and customer support messages. Do not send repeated promotional messages without permission. Keep every message clear, relevant, and respectful. The goal is to build a relationship, not to disturb the customer. Paid advertising can produce faster visibility, but it should not be your first step. Before advertising, make sure your website, contact information, and offer are clear. Choose one campaign goal. The goal may be phone calls, WhatsApp inquiries, website form submissions, or store visits. Start with a small budget. Target a specific audience and location. Review the results before increasing your spending. Do not measure success only by impressions or clicks. Measure actual inquiries and sales. Digital marketing should be measured. Track important results such as website inquiries, telephone calls, WhatsApp messages, Google Maps actions, email responses, appointments, sales, and repeat customers. Use tools such as Google Analytics, Google Search Console, Meta Insights, and your customer records. Review the results every month. Continue what works and improve what does not. Here is a simple 30-day digital marketing plan. During the first week, check your website, contact information, and mobile performance. During the second week, complete your Google business profile and request reviews from satisfied customers. During the third week, prepare 4 useful social media posts and 1 helpful blog article. During the fourth week, review your inquiries and identify which channel produced the best result. Do not try to complete everything in one day. Consistent small improvements are more effective than random marketing activity. Digital marketing becomes easier when you focus on the customer journey. Build a professional website. Improve your Google presence. Create useful content. Use social media consistently. Follow up respectfully. Measure real business results. Subscribe to Djeema Digital Marketing for more practical business growth guides. For website design, SEO, digital business cards, and marketing support, visit djeema.com.